Hello, kids! Welcome to Vocabulary by PlanetSpark YouTube channel. Hygiene Vocabulary Quiz. Hey, kids! Ready to be a hygiene hero? Let's play a fun game with soap, toothbrush, and towel. Let's play! Quiz time. Question 1. Guess, what do we use to clean our hands? Soap? Book. Yes, soap. Great job. Choose. What do we use to clean teeth? Toothbrush? Spoon. Awesome! Toothbrush. Keep going. Fill in the blank. We use a blank to dry our body. Towel! Yay! You're smart! Question 4. Guess. Soap makes bubbles, smoke. Bubbles! So fun! Fun break. Clap 3 times. Say, I love being clean. Please like the video and subscribe my channel. Question 5. Choose. We brush teeth in the morning, night, both. The correct answer. Both. Super clean. Question 6. Read and say, towel is soft. Towel is soft. Say it loud. Great reading. Question 7. Fill. Wash hands with blank and water. Soap. You're amazing. Question 8. Choose. A towel is wet, dry. The correct answer. Dry. Nice thinking. Question 9. Guess. Toothbrush goes in the mouth, ear. Mouth. Haha, correct. Question 10. Fill. Brush for blank minutes. The correct answer. 2 minutes. Wow! Hey, superstar! Ready to show how strong your words power is? Ask Mama and Papa to book your vocabulary challenge below. Fun break! Pretend to brush your teeth. Question 11. Choose. Dirty hands or clean hands? The correct answer. Clean hands. Yes! Question 12. Think. Why do we use soap? To clean germs? To color hands? The correct answer. Clean germs. Genius! Question 13. Read. I use a towel after a bath. I use a towel after a bath. Perfect reading! Jump 2 times if you're having fun. I love being clean. Q14. Fill. Toothbrush helps keep teeth blank. The correct answer. Clean. Yay! Question 15. Guess. Hard. Which one is not for cleaning? Soap, towel, toy. Toy. You did it. Champion. You did amazing! How many did you get right? Tell me your score in the comments. To start your learning journey, click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today. Follow our other YouTube channel to help your child become a great speaker. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.